All right, today on Feathers Off-Road, we got a new helmet. I've been looking for a new helmet for a while. We've got a few old kids ones here, but some of you may have seen that Arai finally came out with their new XD-5 DOT certified and Snell. I decided to go with this. I have a friend who tried this out, really liked it. I've been looking for something new, like I said. So just doing a quick reveal right now. I'm gonna do almost 2,000 miles on this pretty soon. Next week actually, so I can do a longer review of it. But big takeaways here. This is all like basically a toolless. You can just pop this whole shield off with this. It's a huge viewport for goggles. Fits my head really well. They've redesigned some of these vents. There's a vent here, there's a vent here, and a vent in back, bigger chin opening vent. Also has this chin curtain that kind of pulls backwards a bit. Right here you can lift up. It's got a really nice big viewport. On the inside, it's got these, hopefully the camera's picking it up, but there's cutouts for speakers already on both sides. There's Velcro there, hard to see maybe. It's already Velcro that can be used. It is a double D ring. I haven't messed around with taking these pads out yet. I know it's a different system. I haven't had a chance to mess around with that yet, but like I said, just doing a quick reveal, and then I am going to go do 2,000 miles with this pretty soon. So let's see what else we get in the box. Get some silicone for the gasket here, and also this pin lock 120 XL2 fog resistant lens. So pin lock ready, should fit right down in this spot here on the inside to prevent fogging. I had another helmet with that pin lock and it was really great for not fogging. So we will see. I know there's some adjustments up here on the head curtain. Haven't messed around with that too much. Again, just trying to make something quick so that we can do maybe a little bit of a ride and a wind noise check and some other things. But that's the Arai XD-5 reveal. So until next time, enjoy the ride.